To begin, log into your dashboard. From the main menu, go to Payment and Billing and select Tax Settings. This is where you manage how taxes are applied. Next, click Add More or enter your tax details manually. Make sure the tax percentage matches your local regulations to avoid overcharging or undercharging your customers. In the Advanced Tax Settings and Delivery Taxes section, you can define the tax name, set the tax percentage, and choose how it's applied, either to a specific outlet or across all outlets. Once everything is set, click Save Changes. If you need to add extra charges, simply include the relevant details here. And that's it. Your tax settings are now configured. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials.